Everybody keeps talking about the same AI tools: ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Canva, 11 Labs. And at this point, those tools are no longer secrets. They're mainstream, which means the advantage is shrinking. Because once everyone knows the same tools, nobody has an edge anymore. And that's the problem with most AI content right now. It's recycled. The same 10 tools, the same tutorials, the same recommendations, repeated by different creators, over and over. So if you're serious about using AI for leverage, you need to stop looking where everyone else is looking. Because the real opportunities usually exist before the masses catch on, before the tool gets saturated, before every creator makes 20 videos about it, before businesses fully understand its value. That's when leverage is highest. So in this video, I'm showing you 5 AI tools almost nobody is talking about yet that can help you save massive time, increase output, improve quality, or build income systems faster. And no, these are not gimmicks. These are tools with actual real-world business utility, the kind of tools early adopters quietly use before everyone else catches up. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Napkin AI. Most people think AI is for writing. That's where they stop. They use AI to write tweets, write emails, write blog posts, write scripts, and that's useful. But here's what most people miss. Raw text alone often looks low value, even if the information is great, because presentation changes perception. The exact same idea, presented visually, feels more premium, more professional, more valuable. That's why consultants use frameworks, why agencies use diagrams, why coaches use visual systems, why premium offers use polished assets, because visuals increase perceived authority. And Napkin AI helps you create those visuals instantly. You paste in text, and it transforms that information into mind maps, framework diagrams, infographics, flowcharts, visual breakdowns, presentation-ready assets. Without design skills, without Canva, without PowerPoint, without hiring a freelancer. That matters because packaging is one of the most underrated business skills online. 2 people can sell the same knowledge. The better packaged version wins. Every time. With Napkin AI, you can take simple ideas and instantly make them look like premium consulting frameworks, which opens up a lot of opportunities. You can use it for client strategy presentations, lead magnets, mini ebooks, course slides, educational social posts, consulting assets, digital products, internal SOP documentation, agency deliverables, and branded reports. Imagine you run a marketing agency. Instead of sending clients plain text audits, you turn them into polished visual frameworks. Instantly, your service looks more premium. Instantly, perceived value goes up. Imagine you sell digital products. Instead of basic PDFs, you package information into visually structured frameworks. Now it looks worth paying for. Imagine you create content. Instead of generic talking head advice, you turn your ideas into unique diagrams and frameworks. Now your content looks smarter, more professional, more shareable. That's why tools like this matter. Not because they're flashy, because they improve output quality. And in business, higher perceived quality usually means higher pricing power. Most people ignore this. They obsess over creating, but forget packaging. That's why their offers feel cheap. Napkin helps fix that. And almost nobody in the AI creator niche is talking about it yet. Number 4. Tavily. Most people research manually. They open Google, search for something, open 10 tabs, skim articles, copy notes, repeat. It's slow, messy, and incredibly inefficient. Tavily changes that, because Tavily is built specifically for AI-powered research workflows. Think of it like a research engine optimized for AI systems. It can gather fresh market data, competitor research, industry news, statistics, trend information, customer pain points, niche research, and real-time web insights, much faster than traditional search. Why is that valuable? Because research is leverage. The person with better information usually makes better decisions. Better decisions create better businesses, better offers, better content, better positioning, better timing. Most people fail because they execute on bad ideas, not because they work too little. They build offers nobody wants, make content nobody needs, target markets with no demand, solve problems that aren't painful enough. Research prevents that. Tavily helps you validate faster. You can use it to research profitable niches, analyze competitors, build market reports, study customer complaints, gather offer ideas, find underserved audiences, identify trends before they peak, and automate repetitive research tasks. This matters massively for freelancers, agencies, consultants, content creators, lead generation businesses, digital product sellers, and basically anyone building online. Because the better your research, the less guessing your business requires. And less guessing usually means more money. Most beginners skip research. They copy trends blindly, then wonder why nothing works. Advanced operators do the opposite. They research deeply, then move strategically. That's the difference. And Tavily gives that advantage faster. Number 3. Ideogram. Most AI image tools look impressive, but impractical. They create beautiful art, cool scenes, fancy renders, random cinematic images. But business owners don't need random art. They need usable visuals. That's where Ideogram stands out, because it handles text in images far better than most AI image generators, which makes it incredibly valuable for actual business use. You can use it for thumbnail concepts, ad creatives, social graphics, branding mockups, poster designs, digital product covers, lead magnet covers, landing page visuals, merch concepts, marketing assets. This matters because text plus visuals is where marketing lives. Businesses need graphics with words, offers, hooks, headlines, callouts, brand names, product labels, ad messaging. And most AI generators still struggle badly with that. Ideogram doesn't. That makes it one of the most practical AI image tools available, especially for creators, agencies, marketers, and digital sellers. If you run YouTube channels, you can brainstorm thumbnail concepts faster. If you run ads, you can create testing creatives quickly. If you sell products, you can generate branded mockups instantly. If you do client work, you can offer creative assets faster. The key point is this: pretty AI art is fun. Practical AI visuals make money. That's why Ideogram matters more than most people realize. Number 2. Recraft. Most AI image generators are built for creativity, not utility. That's the issue. Because businesses need assets they can actually use, not just pretty pictures. They need logos, brand kits, icons, vectors, marketing graphics, product visuals, social assets, ad creatives, presentation graphics, website visuals. And Recraft is built for that. It's one of the few AI design tools focused more on commercial utility than artistic experimentation, which makes it extremely valuable. Because design bottlenecks kill speed. Businesses constantly waste time waiting for designers, freelancers, revisions, edits, Brand updates. Creative turnaround. Recraft compresses that process dramatically. You can create usable brand assets in minutes. This is powerful if you run an agency, sell branding services, build websites, manage ads, create digital products, operate e-commerce stores, or create content professionally. And here's the real opportunity. Most small businesses still have terrible branding, terrible visuals, terrible design systems, which means if you understand how to use tools like this, you can package AI-assisted design into paid services. That's where monetization happens. Because tools alone don't create income. Packaging them into solutions does. Number 1. Harpa AI. This may be the most underrated AI productivity tool on the entire list. Because Harpa turns your browser into an AI automation layer. And once you use it, it's hard to go back. It can summarize pages, extract website data, scrape information, monitor competitor pages, track price changes, automate repetitive browser tasks, generate content from web pages, analyze page data, and run AI prompts directly inside your workflow. This matters because most people use AI separately from work. They copy information, paste it into ChatGPT, wait for output, copy results back, switch tabs, repeat. That friction kills efficiency. Harpa removes much of that friction. And friction matters more than people realize. Because the easier a workflow is, the more consistently it gets used. That means Harpa can dramatically improve execution speed, especially for researchers, lead generation operators, agencies, sales teams, marketers, analysts, and productivity-focused creators. It's one of those tools that doesn't sound exciting until you use it. Then you realize how much time it saves. And time saved compounds fast. Now here's the truth most AI channels won't tell you. Knowing about tools does not make you money. Downloading tools does not make you money. Watching AI videos all day definitely does not make you money. Because the gap between people who consume AI content and people who profit from AI is execution. That's it. Most people watch videos like this, get excited, bookmark the tools, open 15 tabs, test everything briefly, then do nothing with it. A week later, they're back watching another AI tools video, still learning, still consuming, still preparing, still not building anything. Meanwhile, someone else took one tool, applied it consistently, built a workflow around it, packaged it into an offer, and started making money. That's the difference. Not knowledge, application. So if I were starting from scratch today, here's exactly how I'd use this stack. Use Tavily to research profitable niches. Use Napkin AI to package insights into visual frameworks. Use Recraft to create brand assets and marketing materials. Use Ideogram to create ad creatives and thumbnails. Use Harpa AI to automate repetitive workflows. That alone could build an entire one-person online business system. Research, packaging, branding, marketing, automation, all powered by AI. And most people still don't know these tools exist. That's the edge. For now, but not forever. Because eventually, every underrated tool becomes mainstream. Every secret gets exposed. Every advantage gets crowded. That's why early action matters. The people who move first usually benefit most. So the real question is, will you use these before everyone else catches on? Or wait until they become just another mainstream AI trend? Subscribe to Income Engineering if you want more underrated AI tools, hidden systems, and practical ways to use AI before the crowd does. And I'll see you in the next video.